With the Yamawakwaba, Stardom Company. Yes, so, and we be a trim we say, Unya issue, Guni cyber crime for. Now, only blogger, Oda Empress League base, I know. Yes, so, 31st of July, year 2020, and that's them they see.
That's it. 31st of July 2020. That day, make I say, na a holiday. Because me obi a me pie, me time pie, iti na me nim baby a me ko. Sorry anopa. Ana me cousin baako ka bia na o isi me ha. Na eno na me dey call up and down because organizer bi was ro ha ko check in say oye adwuma a na me refi say oye muslim iti me call ho no na me say ya close sa shop no na me say machi na me ba ye me be she fi me hwe Nigeria film na me ya me hwe Nigeria film me tie kokoko me ko bie ya police for me and son Debbie. Me no na police for ba ko do nye police ni on me no baby am ko fa no fi kra ana am ba ham say am ko tawara and say mama amechi me embra ana am be fa me ko.
Oh, okay. Now, with the Mr. Charges of the ball in money laundering in Yamano. Ne child pornography, no. Aha. Na a idea we are now.
Mamika said, Ghana. And first, the name one say, yet you call him, but after the case, the young one say, you're quiet, China, you're quiet. Well, one, my main chill, my medical chill, how Empress Nicky, you're pretty.
Oh, okay.
The church will move you are video, over the tea, this way thing. Empress Nicky, open source site. See, I can say open source site here. Site here will be access to, like, which is a Facebook say open source, Twitter, Instagram will mean open source. And California access to where they can put their stars, like winning Empress League or material opese would to Empress League here. You don't even need to contact me. You don't need to contact anybody. You can go direct and put your stuff over there. One big na catcher. Sadly, the catcher a police for no. If only they listen to me. I don't know. The name said no more tree said me chum true. Said then you. I don't know. So lucky for me. I'm not mobile family now. You call police station on the money. We say you could do an job before man. You may call in baby. You could do an job. And I do not yet answer no. We do go through every process via Empress League. They go through and sana idea was so. Now, so lucky and so fortunate. Now, during that time, now if on the farm here, you go police station, then call for a bear upload on my name, on the start. That was so.
Oh, okay.
This is how it goes. Okowa, there's a section. Oko, Yachono, upload your link. Etino, okay, Kiswa, a Dubeko publishing interface.
Oh, okay.
Now, o staff biana, o pese, o upload, o upload, o ma details, o headings, o title, details, way, AVR. Now, there are terms and conditions our site so that is so we make sure say we staff now upload you own it one kasa odia and our feel say or share you don't have a problem with anybody you agree to the term and condition our site so say you legally own the staff, it's your own staff. Now if you want to upload so fortunately now you do police station no conform be upload on staff site so with their police for the go through the charm now we upload be 1 hour e man you go so police station no be uploading the be 1 hour ago no be so be 2 hours ago 3 hours ago 4 hours ago now and conform upload now be charm say now this is how it goes on say you want custody minimum me pack of gumensa na mtoko fitia nopa ebepe manager but so say enkofo na upload with this was uploaded 1 hour ago 2 hours ago 3 hours ago everything was captured on video na me dey chire on that allegation say I am the one uploading people's stuff. Now in the first place Jeho me free info Kwame, who staff for phone so like one private staff for minimum. Where do I know you? Minimum. Me. And you know that allegation said me and I me upload staff now. And you know minimum. The thing is, and Crawford now upload on staffs ever citing so. Oba. Ebeba abehange my life and yet automatic what you say it's my life it you know me most in me sorry no pebia then I go to the site it na me administrator I go to the site na ma check it nkofo o ma publish o mo niema then I go and approve them.
Okay.
About something so
Okay.
So I only approve.
Okay.
I don't edit.
Okay.
I don't what you say. Me editor. I only approve or disapprove. That's all. But it's your own stuff because it was not automatic. You know. That's why anything I approve. I only approve outside me.
Okay.
It's you know. Nyema na omo upload impressing kino anana minni nipa ba ko say kura ni connection wo impressing ko minnim omu ba ko kura I'm just the site owner me designing platform I'm just a web developer I'm designing website platform for people to use.
Oh, okay. Then I say uka come my tin ya na I say metumi de bibia to site no so anya ade bia ye link video metumi de link videos bia to ho se bi obi akọwie ade a video metumi de ato ho ana.
Oh, the site was designed for any staff.
Oh, okay.
What you are saying?
Okay.
Any staff at all. Now you need restrictions. Who's there? Facebook, more restrictions. They more adult content. And Facebook. Yeah, any stuff. Not music videos or
oh, okay.
Adult content or
okay.
Oh, all stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Big Mario. What do you say? Me person me bisa o say. Abra na a police for no babecho no. Na wo ka say na ajo. Enumre o say den na wo ye de okodu a police for no ho. Time ben sa na omudu be ombecho wanopa be 9:10 meboa. aha enti time be na omodo ko do police station ho no ehe na mo fire omodo ko call police stations ana
Dabi. I'm going to go to baby.
baby say him fasa
Back to Oji Nai, Sabodia, Saday. Only if I could for Libya. Could you only go to a council? Could come to me, could bow Bakulu, Koboko, and Kobok. You do baby, so also for the body. Like delay, almost me could delay sign, they do a dumb song for the petrol. Near the Addis, I am near police station assembly. Near the Adiana, they could do an adjo. If you are quite cry, just 1.5 hours drive, say 1 hour drive. But since morning, down of night, you could do all day 8 p.m. Or you could get
hey na emremu no say ka yetumi abachi obi no eja nipa no yetumi de no kofa baby answer ana me pese me bisa ba me ti say o ka no kra say damage
me semremu no ye we ni naturally ni the man say on do coffee for baby e could have baby ko bon ko ji ni me bi any on the baby ko ji petrol ni ya bi ani na me delay na asa na mo de me ko
yeah cyber security for no when enjuma no say na eti
me cyber security cyber crime like police for no cyber crime unit one I don't know but I expected say anka omudi expert in technology anka bigu anka kwami nka yenru bibia yewoyi sanka omudi expert because expert will know you are telling the truth or you are not telling the truth expert bigu tio dey tell me that sir omo be che me no e me call ye na ye go through me you know me church omo niema be system like the way everything works me dey omo call analytics me Google analytics me ti say baako e say we hu conversation bi e wo Google analytics one of them say I'm in for trouble like I'm in a very big trouble. Google Analytics. You are looking for conversation in Google Analytics. It means you don't even know anything about Google Analytics. System. You don't even know how to develop a website. And so someone will say, the cheap ubia or your technology adjuma. It you know, she knew all catcher and all chirel crana or diatom. Because won't you say who knew an expert and can share and can say who conversation do Google and there's nothing like conversation Google Analytics. Google Analytics actually the amount of traffic about site like nipa eba site so any more if free so any content here that conversation there like but no credit me tesa or no come say a conversation be in house jaja man conversation be was or yanko na mte masa or be me tiri no am ka say mawu because me feel say enkrofo a sabi if you at least come mom ye developers aha and a buy it you know okay they know what you are talking about they know what you at least but go for how the ombechi even boy back na free say national cyber security or don't friend Frank will say no later me find out yes jama or yes internship or not if only police new or yet internship or yet what try blogging that am I even kwa feeling obi a went me anye blog simple blogging went me anye ono Lydia police for say ye na mechi me bi ni hono mo ameka bi chechi mu kire o ankofuru eti ase evidence no ebra waje me nyema nyina you have every evidence me bibia waje me phone bibia concerning the waje bibia eti no fabra be kire how am me extorting scano child pornography chese I feel later when the normal cover as child pornography. So I had the privilege of me call like almost inviting me or no finding somebody lecturing me. So SHS now me teaching say you people should look at the content, not the tag name. Won't me for tag name embarrassed him say what tag name. You should look at the content. How much me. Now there was nowhere like in a SHS video, any something like that in NB. JHS tag name then no more de ebe fan and also a vanishing. Sasika kesiye na akesa kesa no mbebo omo boy say omo bobo say me starting Crawford 2000 5,000 money ade no. And also my chechi mo nche. Me site no. I have so many advertisers. Our site no so. It be a betting companies. It be a AD networks. Now betting companies no. Omu tia me through mobile money. I have a base salary of $450 every month. Our betting company the money. Me transfer every betting company no. Come in mobile money account straight. So we try bet here. We say they we transfer.
Yeah.
Yes. I base every month. Yeah. A contract. I mean betting company. Sign. I transfer scan to my mobile money account straight. You see that big money over there. Apart from that, me were 25% commission. Every bet BI BD will be a marifan BI 25% commission. And also weekly, I will just transfer my commission to my mobile money account. And mention me were AD Stera and also your AD network. Almost no musu tia me through Bitcoin. And also no omutia no 2 weeks. Eti no every 2 weeks bia no. Every 2 weeks bia no. And also omutia me AD Stera. Mitininya almost 400, 500, sometimes even $600 in 2 weeks. Every AD Stera. Through Bitcoin, no man on the amame. Now Bitcoin, no ma ye currency. I should be providing this statement for. I say I deal with akwe well. Sanka time woman anka meeting me. I provided a printed statement in a chilewa. And now ye currency. I don't know say what unimoma. I'm talk this ye currency see. Oh yeah, you're from e-currency for you.net. I'm saying Nigeria company, but then I Ghana ha. I'm Juma for a long time. Me turn Bitcoin in the mount. No more transfer. Ska no abba me mobile money account me. It is those big monies now. A post phone ko jina ho. Kika say me starting Crawford 20 million, 30 million, 40 million. No. Now later now. On one kasa, a investigation, it traces the source of all the big money now. I'm finding out now. Also, I feel the person on the back court, on the evidence in the back court, I'm here as a video for a whole year.
And into my shame Musa no.
Did you have shame Musa? Was a court mammy? Bill no. 2 weeks time after my arrest in court no mammy bill. That was after my press conference, no. Now, I don't know the reason why my press conference. But Ekoba say they didn't want me to get out again.
Hey, sir.
Oh yeah, that's why I said court me bail. No, they did not want me to get out again. You know, but that time no more finding out. Say, instead no more kicking in I tried here, but then they didn't want me to come out. Don't you know me, Kasa? First, court no man bail no, every year. I put for changing me court bail condition. Interest being and a police me. I said that war. Oh, case me feel like a police for there. They are like referees. What I say, they are professionals. But the police me, it me change bail condition. I court to their mouth. No more change. Court to my bail of 300,000 with one justification. What I say. Now, a do police station one a police for no a changing iron two justification instead of one. It you know court no man bail no 2 days time na you provide justification no no CID ni say only one or G2 justification.
Court no one.
One. CID ni say or G2. Now, until now, I say almost for another justification at the back. And no make any problem. All other justification be document and that's here deny reject it or say you fake. It be I'll say you fake. Meanwhile, so no, now you fulfill court order no the whole one that justification it was worth more than even 700,000. Not the whole. I don't know demanded for second justification. For almost more than 1 month, no police requested for second justification.
Yeah, someone.
And by the time you realize it, you say there be a day way, and yet just because we are not dealing with professionals, we are dealing with people who really want to put you away. And I feel Mabusian for Kofa lawyer and Kasa. It's lawyer and a belly D. Lawyer and kind of chair say, and yet police need and they will say you presented justification at the man. We should just present it to the court. We should just deposit everything for the court to do everything. And yeah, but then a court back, a copy D for reduction of the bail condition, and a judge, it is about 1 billion. And my good friend, Baku, I did a vehicle worth over that 1.2 billion document at the bar court. And present my registrar now started so almost process document via verification the year bill. Almost year now, court accepted documents. Almost that CID say on family na me sami bill no CID said there be that. Adentina, almost document na mre onu no mumu and processing bill no de court document na come registrar. It and also research. Initially, no documents na yet almost presenting my CID, first CID na or demanding for 2 justification na later by say only one no. Document no demand no lance ho. Na CID no the order to say delay document no for 1.5 months. Momo famous here. Now, Mabusia phone who a chile lawyer natural the right procedure. Momo fast so document in the call registrar or court now registrar no no processing. De order man CID so for no man CID said there be. I just on one so koye research. Answer.
Tina say nini na no dey keep you in.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
No ubebusa who say I didn't na court to ama order na CID say me say lawyer no e ko file contempt e wo high court almost serve CID no contempt high court contempt order and sana CID no e be fama ma ko sign there.
Nti brana yɛde wo call cells no a wo hu sɛ ade no wo yɛ very innocent wɔ saa ade yi wo a yɛde wo kodu wɔ hɔnom wo call cells no sɛ nima police station meboa wo kodu hɔ no wo hu sɛ ɔmo hɔ nyinaa yɛ innocent ana sɛ na wo feel hɔnom wo kodu yɛ na wo sɛ wayɛ ade a wonyɛ bɔne na mmom sɛm a yɛakeka to so ɛbɛyɛ widely spread no sɛ na wo hu no
me call hɔnom no ni ma hɔnom no na me ti so me say me ti ni so e fa bi na me ti ni so no because of most of the times no me think of a story of hɔnom a na me ra ho obi da sell hɔnom what that there over 6 months all because of say wakobo bisia 1,000 Ghana cedis e will be hɔnom ana ibi a time na so untimi ntua adewi a civil case no ni pakono akoye no say obewia na 10 million na ya beche no ye di court ye di bail attorney so onya bi no da hono basa chale
yo we de kakra ye besa ntoa so aha we de meda ase ye ba se ye ba ba ebibi nsam so kakra ye bebisa nsam kakra nti
yo nka na mre wo mu a nka me provide me wo evidence na omo anfama omo apesa omo de beba court no me nka sa me de evidence no beba e pesa me de ba na public ni nyina omo jeje me chat messages onipa bi a contact me se me ni na yi the content emma no me ni onipa ko chat messages na public na kasa hu de koso so when I say me like me demand this car if you onipa ko and I say me demand this car nemo options and go na bi onipa ko na kasa atwi so no I don't want to report to the police station. Me, I don't want to find. Just let me give you something, then do it for me. And also, extortion. You know, me the statements. The statements say free betting companies, advertising networks, na a betchem. Nanka mwanka samwa jeje. Na my corresponding transactions na the free statements. Ebame. Mobile money account money say extortion money and I say contract money advertising money and na me saka me ni be police for coffee fast affidavits no if here nema no wo mo me nema ni nyina wo mo every evidence bia mo pe bia no they have I didn't know mo fema but mo fema me be say me de eba na public na kasa ajeje no mo hu nokora na mo no
okay we dey beda wase
okay
beda wase bobre afoforo so ye besen hia that's it